Hello. Welcome back to the channel. This is Humble Empire, still solving problems with passion. So we're going to continue our training. We're dealing with heavy metals. We're going to look at the definition of heavy metals. So heavy metals are simply metallic elements that has high density and can cause toxicity even at the lowest concentration. So basically, they are just with us. They are elements. Every day it's with us. Okay, they are not something alien or anything. Now, these are a few examples: cadmium, zinc, copper, lead, mercury, chromium, arsenic. Okay, so when you talk of heavy metals, it's not only about lead and mercury. There are other heavy metals, and these are a few examples. We're going to look at the sources. The source is not only from the mining areas, as most of us might think, but we have natural sources and we have the anthropogenic sources, that is the human activity that brings about heavy metals. In the natural sources, we have sedimentation of rocks, we have volcanic eruptions bringing about heavy metals, we have soil formations, and we have rock weathering. Now understand that these elements are naturally produced as well as artificially. Okay, so when there is volcanic eruption, when there is soil formation, when there's rock weathering, when there's sedimentation of rocks, you have these metals. It's in there. Okay, and when there's forest fires, like sometimes when we hear from other countries, and even in Ghana here, when people are just burning forests here and there, it can also produce heavy metals out of it. So we need to be mindful. We look at the anthropogenic sources that has to do with the industrial. We see the mining and smelting. We see agriculture, that is pesticides, fertilizers, also the machineries that we use in agriculture, because some of these elements are being used in producing some of these machineries or coating some of the machineries. So the more we use them in preparing the land, or we use these machineries in agriculture, when there is wear and tear, it get back into the soil, and then we have the effect in there. We look at waste disposal, how waste are being disposed, both in the municipal aspect and the industrial aspect, can also bring about heavy metal presence in the soil, water, environment, or where have you. Okay, we can see fossil fuel as one of them. So when we talk about heavy metals, we are not only talking about mining. The sources can be a lot. It's not only about mining. So in summary, we've realized that heavy metals are metallic elements with high density and can cause toxicity at low concentrations. We've also seen that the sources is not only about mining, but we can have the natural sources, as you can see, the volcanic and other things, and we have the anthropogenic or the human activity sources, as you can see on your screen. Catch us next week when we look at the effect of these heavy metals in our soils and the effect on plants as well. This is Humble Empire, solving problems with passion. Shalom.